What's going on, guys? My name is Marcel Flores. Welcome to my YouTube channel, One Dapper Street, and today I'm really excited to partner up with Walmart to give you guys a very colorful, very fun, free assembly haul for spring and summer. I've done these in the past and you guys really like them, so I'm excited to show you the pieces I've got on the rack for today. If you like anything, links will be down below for you guys to shop. Without further ado, let's get started and jump right in with piece number one. This really nice, lightweight, packable jacket in a nice, not too saturated orange and blue color block. Honestly, I think a really nice piece, a little bit of that vintage feel. It's really lightweight, which means you can add a top layer without adding much heat to your outfit, especially for those of you that are in very warm spring temperatures already. This is a nice piece to add to a look, to make it more dynamic, more interesting without overheating. And of course, really nice fun colors that in itself is of course gonna make your outfit pop a whole lot more. Next up, for those of you that are going to be experiencing some rain in the spring, like myself here in New York City, a nice waterproof jacket in a beautiful mint colorway. I actually really like this. This is a size medium, really reasonably priced, and I think it's just the right amount of room in the body. So it can work with relaxed outfits, but it still can work with slim outfits. So this is a nice key piece to have if you, like I said, are expecting some rain in the near future. A lightweight bomber jacket is a key essential in any men's spring wardrobe, and this nice, they call it mushroom colorway, is a great way to go. It's a bit more neutral, which means a lot more versatile, but it also is going to keep your outfit a lot more simple. I really like the fit on this. It's not too bunched up at the bottom, which makes it a little bit easier to pull off. Sometimes bomber jackets can have a really tight waistband, and that's a very stylistic look just by itself. But this comes in another couple of fun colorways, in green and in blue. At $25, I think this is a steal, and I'm excited to play around with this for my spring wardrobe. Now, I promised you color. Let's get a bit more colorful with this Rugby hoodie sweatshirt. We've got pink and orange as a combination, which, yes, can be a bit much, but I would wear this with a pair of simple white jeans or blue jeans, dress down the rest of the outfit to let this shine. We've got the off-white hood instead of the traditional Rugby polo shirt collar, which I think is a really nice vibe, and then it gives you that neutral to play with. So either your shoes or your pants, opt for that off-white, pick it back up, which is gonna make this a whole lot easier to wear. If the color is too much for you or you don't want the hood, you can opt for a classic Rugby sweatshirt like this one. $21. I got this in a size large, so it's a bit more oversized. The fabric is a nice medium weight and it drapes really nicely. So the fact that it's oversized works really well with this. Sometimes if the fabric's not just right, oversized can look really weird, but this looks amazing. Simple colors here. We've got that off-white and the gray combo. This is a really nice essential piece that's very versatile, but still offers some fun with the horizontal stripes. Next up on my body, we've got a wide striped oversized pocket t-shirt in orange and off-white. I also got this in off-white and light blue, both two great color combinations. And like I said, today's gonna be colorful, but free assembly is called free assembly for you to freely assemble the pieces in the collection into your outfits. And I think these are two really fun pieces to do that with. Let me just pull up this packable jacket right here. You also see it in the B-roll. There's a lot of fun that you can have with this. And yes, it's gonna be very colorful, but it still works because it's from the same collection, and that's the thought they had when designing it. The t-shirt itself, while oversized, I still opted for a size large. I think it looks really nice. If the sleeves are standing off of you a little bit too much, you can always roll them up, either messily like this, or you do it a bit more clean if that's your vibe. But I think this is a really nice piece. Once again, the stripes make it fun, and the color makes it a bit more standout. Another short sleeve option would be this vintage striped shirt in a nice, faded green color with yellow stripes that are not as bold as the one that I'm wearing right now. This is not oversized, so it fits a bit more standard. This is also a size large. You can see the difference in the fit a little bit. Whether you want to go for something more oversized or not, that's really up to you. You can obviously also always opt to go true to size. So if I were to size down to a medium, which is my actual size for this, then the silhouette would be a lot more fitted and it would be a bit more of a slim fit aesthetic. Those of you that know me and know this channel know that I actually have a couple of free assembly jeans in my closet for a couple of years now, and these I wanted to show you guys because these are new. They're a slim fit air jean is what they call them. Why air? Because it feels like you're wearing nothing. These are super comfortable. I got these in a size 32 by 30. Honestly, that's something I used to do. I think I gotta change it up and start ordering 32 length again, because I have long legs, but I used to like that crop look. Now I want my slim jeans just to run a bit longer. But these are a simple light wash classic blue jean. Once again, to the point of color, you can also opt for a pair of garment dyed jeans. These are slim fit as well. They fit a little bit more relaxed than the slim fit that has all that stretch in it. But on the left side we have gray, which technically not a color, but for a pair of jeans it is something that is a bit less expected. And then here we have a blue jean, but it's a grayish blue, like I said, garment dyed jean. And garment dyed means that the whole jean is then thrown in and colored, so it has that unique look, and I really like both of these as a little standout compared to the simple straightforward jeans. And then the last piece I've got for you today are these e-waist cargo joggers in a tan color. These are a size medium. Honestly, they're very relaxed, they're very lightweight, they're very flowy. I like them a lot, but I think I'm gonna exchange them for a size small. I want them to fit a bit more slim just because these are very relaxed. And I don't know if you guys saw my recent video, slim versus relaxed fit, how should your pants fit? If you haven't seen that, check that out, but I do tend a little bit more on the slim side still, so I might swap these out. Otherwise, these are an amazing piece, really nice medium tan that's gonna be ultra versatile, and like I said, so lightweight that even though they are long, they're gonna make you feel like you're barely wearing anything. And just like that, we're through for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, if you liked any of the pieces, links will be down below. I definitely think this video was a little bit different because we embraced color a lot more. There was a few comments recently that kind of encouraged me to opt for more color, so how about we take today as a starting point for that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave your comments, thoughts, questions down below in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys very soon with the next video. Until then, as always, stay dapper. Bye y'all.